Want to turn your picture into an NFT without upfront costs? It's called lazy minting, and it's how you mint an NFT for free. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Mintable let you list your image as an NFT. The NFT isn't actually minted on the blockchain until someone buys it, so you don't pay any initial gas fees. You'll need a wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet. Make sure your image is original and in a common format like JPEG or PNG. Then, connect your wallet to the platform. Upload your picture, add a title and description, and select the lazy minting option. The buyer will pay the gas fees when they purchase your NFT, with you paying only marketplace platform fees like 2.5% on OpenSea. Be sure to protect your work by storing a backup copy of your NFT media on IPFS using a pinning service like Pinata, and setting royalties so you get a cut every time your NFT is resold. AI is transforming NFT creation. Tools like DALL-E and Midjourney now generate images directly for minting, with 40% of new NFTs being AI-generated according to recent reports. Sustainability is key in today's NFT landscape. Eco-friendly blockchains like Tezos and Hedera are gaining traction for their low environmental impact, with 30% of transactions now on carbon-neutral networks. NFTs have evolved beyond art. They're now essential for gaming collectibles, metaverse real estate, and digital identity verification, representing over 60% of current mints. Important considerations. Always own the copyright to your image. While lazy minting avoids gas fees, it doesn't protect against legal issues. Most free-minted NFTs remain unsold, so effective marketing is essential. The market is stabilizing but active, with experts forecasting increased use in ticketing and certifications. Stay informed about evolving regulations as governments establish NFT guidelines.